time for our Azure order.
Yay!
And now time for the pickup in the cold rain.
Really bad with last names, so you'll have to come up with books to hear your name. Stephanie,
That was a super, super cold day going to get all this stuff. The rain just felt like it was chilling to the bone. But you know what? It was worth it because we got some Azure.
Yay.
You want to start on your side?
Yes. All right. I've got, of course, a 25-pound of sugar, organic sugar. And then I've got this we have not tried before. I'm excited to try this jasmine rice. And then, of course, we got coconut oil because who doesn't love coconut oil?
You got to talk about the coconut oil. So sometimes they'll have extra stuff on the truck. And they'll say, hey, does anybody want a coconut oil? And they'll, what do we get, 20% off?
I think so.
20, something like that.
Somebody
20%.
didn't pick it up, so we got it.
Right, exactly. And so sometimes you can get sales or specials like that.
So that was a good one. And then, of course, I've got coconut cream powder. I'm excited to try this for my coffee. And then I got 2, of course, bread flours. And then, of course, we've got sprouts. And then this is something we're gonna try different. This is Eric's gonna make his, yeah, he's gonna make his own trail mix, and so he's gonna get those. And then this is another coconut, right?
Coconut milk powder.
This is a different one. This is milk powder, and this is
That's
cream powder. So
yeah.
there's 2 different. And then these, I love these. I put them in my coffees or lattes or whatever I make. And there was stevia, so I got cinnamon this time and hazelnuts. Orange. I'm thinking of orange cream soda. That just sounds so good. And then another cinnamon, because who doesn't like cinnamon? And then vanilla. And then this is actually a winter formula essential oil, like a tincture that they have. And I'm going to try this out. It looked really good for the kids. And then I got coconut again because I just love coconut. So.
And what's your mason jar?
And then this is for like dressings and things like that. And it's an easy pourer. So, because we have lots of that. I'm going to try that out. It was a new thing that they had.
And this is yours too.
I'm excited for this because I have several kids in the house that have curly hair. And I'm excited to try this out because it's all natural stuff.
All right, so for me, I'm making a trail mix. So I got some carob chips. And she goes, have you ever even had carob chips? And she sounded just like that, by the way. And I was like, yeah, I think so. Anyways, I have that. And I also got some non-GMO raw pecans. But what? Somebody's already opened my bag.
I did. When I was making pecan pies for Thanksgiving, I forgot.
Stole my pecans.
I stole his pecans because
Right.
I forgot I had them.
All right, so anyways, that's part of my trail mix. I can put some other stuff in there too. I also got some Annie's Organic Horseradish Mustard.
We like
this
spicy
is what
He's
this
not
is what
going to
life's
share.
all about. This is my stuff right here. Okay, you can have the
Avocado oil. Fine, I'll take the avocado oil.
We also got some transitional almond flour meal.
Yes.
Those are hers too.
Yeah, those are mine.
But then here, I love this stuff. We got some. Azure is full of all kinds of spices. They have all kinds of stuff. We have chicken flavored broth, taco seasoning mix.
Which is the best.
And my dentist won't like this, cream of tartar. Cream of tartar. Get it? Cream of tartar. Okay.
Actually, I use that to make Play-Doh.
Oh, really?
Yes.
All right. Kidding about the dentist thing. All right. And lastly, we have 2 50-pound bags, so 100 pounds total of certified organic quick rolled oats, because this is like the most amazing stuff for making like quick oats for breakfast and stuff. Now Ashley and I are on keto, but we're still looking at making probably a quick oats. What do you call it? Overnight oats? Overnight oats
we
breakfast.
have some recipes.
And show you how we make it, because especially when crap hits the fan, you want to be able to have a very quick protein-packed breakfast, but have some carbs to get the energy going too.
Plus, I make a great granola with it.
Oh, do you?
Yes, I do.
Okay. But she does not use my pecans or my mustard.
Ooh, mustard on oats. That's
Or my
awesome.
carob chips.
You can have those.
All right. So we love Azure Standard. They have drops all over the country. And what that means is you go in there. Go check it out, by the way. There's a link below. It costs nothing to sign up, and you can check it out. And if the reason we got started with it is when we were buying our wheat berries, which we bought tons of them. The wheat berries, the prices were very comparable for getting organic wheat berries from Azure Standard and getting wheat berries, not organic, on Amazon. The prices were comparable. This one was organic. But when you talked about the shipping, the prices for the Amazon was way up here, and the prices for Azure is way down here. And that's how we got started and fell in love with Azure Standard, because what they do is they have semis that go across the country, and they have drop locations all across the country, and your shipping charges are minimal.
Yes.
This was 220 pounds worth of food. And remember what the shipping was?
It was like $8.
Yeah, it was like $8.
Yeah, it was
something
really.
like
It was very minimal.
I may have to flash up right here if it's a different price for
it
$8,
might be
but I'll
different.
get back on that one. But we love it because they have an incredibly wide variety of a lot of organic stuff that's really good for you. raw cheese. We didn't get any this time.
No.
But we get that stuff because it doesn't have all the crap and preservatives and all the stuff they stuff in there too. Not to mention non-organic stuff has that stuff too. So check it out below. Get some drops toward you, and you'll definitely be grateful, especially when it comes to stockpiling.
Yes, that's great. And if they don't have a drop near you, talk to somebody, and they could possibly put one up for you guys.
Yeah, they'll have it so you can actually become a drop sponsor. And if you sponsor the drop, have enough people sign up, you get free food every single time. Yeah. And they've asked us a few times to do that.
But our plate's full.
I was like, I would love to, but I just have too much stuff going on. So, all right. Anyways, Azure Standard, we love you, and I hope you check them out too. And click on the link below. And anything else?
No. Have a great day.
Yeah. Thank you. See you next time.